The RSS has marked 100 years of Seva, a milestone easily that can be described as something that has been soaked in the sweat of volunteers who've served the nation through crisis, calamities and beyond. And I must add, viewers, that RSS has also endured 100 years of slander and witch hunt, and it continues till this date. In his Vijayadashmi address, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat spoke with clarity. He said RSS stands for nation first, for unity, for battling prejudice and discrimination. Words that should ideally inspire, words that should unite. But the Congress party thinks RSS is a terror organization. Now viewers, if the RSS is indeed a terror outfit, as Congress so boldly proclaims, then why do their state governments in places like Karnataka and Telangana sit idle? Why not ban the RSS? Why not take action? And if the RSS is such a menace, why do Congress chief ministers and leaders watch silently as RSS volunteers distribute food during floods, rebuild communities after disasters, promote social harmony? Where is the courage of your conviction? Or is this just another hollow slogan? Viewers, when did Congress suddenly decide that the RSS is a terror outfit? Was it when RSS volunteers were feeding the hungry during the pandemic? Or when they were rescuing lives in quake-hit villages? Or perhaps when they were teaching children in remote corners of the country? But Congress does not stop here. They are now going after RSS supporters. The witch hunt has hit a new low, targeting anyone who dares speak a kind word about the RSS. Sanjay Dutt is facing the brunt for his video praising the RSS. So what is this mentality? Sample the reactions.
हम और वो, अस एंड देम, इस मानसिकता से ये समाज पूर्णतः मुक्त था, मुक्त है और मुक्त रहेगा।
आरएसएस एक आतंकवादी संगठन है।
इस अराजकता की स्थिति में देश के बाहर की स्वार्थी ताकतों को अपने खेल खेलने का मौका मिलता है।
ഇസ്രായേലിലെ സിയോണിസ്റ്റും ഇവിടുത്തെ ആർഎസ്എസും ഇരട്ടപ്പെട്ട സഹോദരങ്ങളാണ്.
Faizan Kidwai, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, joins the panel. Vivek Srivastava ji, you may have differences with the RSS, but why call it call it a terror outfit?
No, it is not the question of differences. I mean, इनकी चलेगी तो देश टूट जाएगा. ये हिंदी, हिंदू, हिंदुस्तान, one nation, one religion, one culture, पुरानी संस्कृति, 5000 साल पुराना. I mean, this has to go off. It's a deterrent for the, and on a lighter vein, all I would like to say is that Karan, you need to start Karan Verma coaching classes. ये भाजपाइयों को बोलना आता नहीं है. इनके प्रवक्ताओं को थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा क्लास दे देना और पर्सनल रिक्वेस्ट है संजू वर्मा को सबसे ज्यादा टाइम देना अपनी क्लास में. दैट इज अगेन
आप देखिए, फिर आप पर्सनल हो गए. वो दो दोस्त हैं, आप उनमें लड़ाई करवा रहे हैं. क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हैं?
अरे करण का जो कैलिबर है, मैं तो ये बता रहा हूँ.
नहीं, आप छोड़ दीजिए सर. आप तो जिस इकोसिस्टम को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, आप वहां पे कैलिबर पहले ढूंढिए कि है किसी में कैलिबर कुछ. मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, डू यू बिलीव आरएसएस इज अ टेरर आउटफिट?
ऑफ कोर्स.
तो सर बैन क्यों नहीं किया? केरला सरकार को बता दीजिए.
वो गलत नहीं. वो
कॉल अप योर फ्रेंड्स इन केरला. अभी फोन लगाइए.
Let me clarify. Let me speak on this now. Why this word terror? It might sound a bit harsh to you. You might say, जैसा आप अभी कह रहे थे अपने पैकेज में, बहुत सा सोशल वर्क आरएसएस कर रही है, जरूर कर रही है, मैं मानता हूं. लेकिन उसके बाद जब आप डिवाइड करने की कोशिश करते हैं, सर, माय कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सेज धर्मनिरपेक्ष भारत. आरएसएस कहता है धर्मनिरपेक्ष कुछ होता नहीं है, पंथ निरपेक्ष है. इस्लाम, बुद्धिज्म, जैनिज्म एंड सिखिज्म, दे आर नॉट सेपरेट रिलीजन्स. They are subsets of a bigger सनातन धर्म. इससे बड़ा आपको क्या सबूत चाहिए डिविजननेस का? आप सपोर्ट करना चाहते हैं, आप दबाना चाहते हैं. आप कहते हैं साहब कि राम का नाम लेना आवश्यक है, मुसलमान के लिए भी, बौद्ध के लिए भी, जैन के लिए भी. I mean, you are not willing to recognize the diversity of this nation, which Rahul Gandhi said in Colombia. राहुल गांधी ने जो कोलंबिया में बोला वो यही बोला.
You are so enamored by Rahul Gandhi in Colombia. Ask Sam Pitroda to take a break. You should be accompanying Rahul Gandhi. आपको आरएसएस टेरर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लग रही है, लेकिन हमास से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पीएफआई से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आपको नहीं है प्रॉब्लम. मुझे पता है आप क्या बोलेंगे, मुझे पता है विवेक श्रीवास्तव. इवन आवर व्यूअर्स नो इट. मैं फैजान भाई से पूछना चाहता हूं, मिस्टर किडवाई, डू यू बिलीव the Congress when it says RSS is a terror outfit? Faizan bhai, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you now. I can hear you loud and clear.
Do you believe the Congress when it calls RSS a terror organization?
See, there are a lot of observations that have been made about RSS over the years. RSS, if I'll narrate few of them to you. You tell me what kind of an organization RSS is. Mr. Bhagwat says that religion is a very personal matter. There should be no discussions about Hindu-Muslim unity because we all are the same. We all are Indians. So, keeping this in mind, I would like to ask Mr. Bhagwat that historically, why have you been spreading hatred against the minorities? See, Mr. Hegdewar and his mentor, Mr. Munje, they were great admirers of the fascist Mussolini and Hitler. They modeled RSS on a fascist group like Balila and Avantgardist organizations, which emphasizes on ethnic purity, upper caste supremacy, and opposes equal rights to minorities. Mr. Golwalkar has echoed the same sentiments.
Faizan bhai, did you hear or have you read the speech today of Mohan Bhagwat? Because if you heard the speech or if you had even read it, you wouldn't be posing these questions.
These are very, very pertinent questions. You should
He's addressed all of these questions. Just go through his speech and you will know what I'm trying to say. But Sanju Verma, respond to what you heard from Vivek Srivastava and Faizan Kidwai.
You know, Pranesh, I have also been doing homework on RSS because RSS ke baare mein, there is a narrative jihad that is going on. Ki RSS, succumbed in front of the British. RSS ka freedom struggle mein koi yogdan nahi tha. Indian National Congress was formed by an Englishman called Alan Octavian Hume in 1885. The first woman president of the Indian National Congress in 1917 was an English woman of Irish descent called Annie Besant. And after 81 years, in 1998, a woman of Italian descent called Antonia Maino became the Congress president by locking up Sitaram Kesri in the toilet. तो पहली बात, कितना इंडियन आरएसएस है, ये हमको इटालियन पार्टी से समझने की जरूरत नहीं है. But more importantly, RSS has more than 58,000 shakhas, more than 100,000 active pracharaks, and I was surprised to know it operates in more than 39 countries and it has more than 6 million active members who directly and indirectly impact the lives of 200 million people. As in 20 crore people are directly or indirectly benefited because of the work done by RSS as the world's largest NGO. But I will just end with one thing. What has Mohan Bhagwat been saying? He said, कुआं भी, मंदिर भी, शमशान भी, तीनों हमारे हैं. जो बहुत सुंदर है वो भी हमारा है, जो कम सुंदर है, कम अच्छा है, वो भी हमारा है, which means inclusivity is what he was emphasizing.
Nikhil, the RSS talks about national unity, national integration. The Congress says terror organization. अगर ऐसा है तो ban कर दीजिए. Tell Mr. Siddharamaiah or Chief Minister Suku to do it.
Pranesh, if RSS is about inclusion, why can't Muslims be members of the main organization?
I am asking you a straightforward question. Congress says RSS is a terror organization. If you believe it is the case, ban it.
One leader in the Congress says that RSS is a terrorist
So
organization.
you don't, do you agree or no?
Say that RSS is an anti-national organization. Now Sanju Verma will sit here every
Do
day
you
and say
agree that RSS is a terror group? Yes or no?
every day and say
Let's
that
get it out of the way. Nikhil, you can either agree or disagree.
No. I am going to simply state that RSS is an anti-national organization, much the same way Sanju Verma sits here every day and says that the Congress is an anti-national party. Now the question should be asked to Prime Minister Modi, ban the Congress. हिम्मत है तो बैन करके दिखाइए. आप लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन राहुल गांधी को जेल करके दिखाइए अगर हिम्मत है तो. एंटी नेशनल बोलते हो ना सारा दिन बैठ के, तो आप बैन कर दो. दैट इज द लाइन ऑफ आर्गुमेंट दैट
Professor Swami has gone thinking that Nikhil will take his place.
Pranesh, I need to answer both Faizan and Nikhil ji because इन्होंने इल्जाम लगाया RSS is anti-national and anti-lower caste. मैं इनसे पूछना चाहता हूं और डंके की चोट पे बात पूछना चाहता हूं. Number one organization that has done maximum for the rehabilitation of the tribals. बताइए कौन है? That is RSS Vanvasi Kalyan Ashram. Number one organization which has 1.7 million projects running for the upliftment of Dalits. What is that? Seva Bharati. Again RSS organization. I am sure they believe in Ambedkar and Gandhi ji. I am quoting Gandhi ji on 16th September 1947 when he visited the RSS Shakha in Delhi. What does Gandhi ji say? And I am quoting from the collected works of Mahatma Gandhi, volume 89, page 194. स्वर्गीय श्री जमनालाल बजाज मुझे संघ के शिविर में ले गए. वहां मैं उन लोगों का कड़ा अनुशासन, सादगी और छुआछूत की पूर्ण समाप्ति देखकर बहुत प्रभावित हुआ. यह है गांधी जी. इसके बाद अंबेडकर जी 1939 पुणे. व्हाट डज अंबेडकर से? आई एम सरप्राइज टू फाइंड द स्वयं सेवक.
They don't believe
about
in, no, they don't. You are quoting Gandhi. If they really respected Gandhi, they should be shutting shop. I'm talking about the Congress party. I keep saying this as a lasting tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. The Congress must at the very least shut down. Mahatma Gandhi wanted that. Samay nahi hai, Tushar, I'm really sorry it couldn't come to you. Completely out of time. Viewers, let's see how this debate unfolds in the days to come. But thank you for joining us. We wish you a very happy Vijayadashmi.